Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. After a long day at work, often we don't feel like cooking anything too complicated. We want a quick and easy meal without compromising the flavor. I have a wonderful fish recipe that actually takes less than 45 minutes and it's packed with yumminess. You're gonna love that. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my fish stew. What a flavorful dish! With a beautiful combination of ingredients and spices, this is a meal you and your family will enjoy. The beauty of this recipe is you can use your favorite white fish. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add oil, and a few minutes later when it gets hot, we'll add onions and diced celery before seasoning with a fair amount of ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Not a lot, we'll add more later on. We'll saute the ingredients and cook them for 4 minutes. Next, we'll add red peppers and yellow peppers. This time, we'll saute the vegetables for 3 minutes. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and cook for only 1 minute. Now, we'll add tomato paste, and if there's any leftovers, click on the top right corner of your screen to get this great kitchen tip. So we'll stir until well blended, coating the vegetables. Next, we'll add a can of diced tomatoes, fresh chopped thyme, some smoked paprika, and a tiny amount of red pepper flakes. We want some spice without overpowering the flavor of the fish. We'll combine the ingredients very well and let it simmer for 1 minute. So now we'll pour in clam juice, which usually comes in small bottles. Then chicken broth, but you can always substitute with vegetable broth. And finally, dry white wine. We'll give a good stir, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. Then we'll reduce to medium and simmer for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prep our fish. So we'll pat it dry, then cut into 1-inch pieces and season generously on one side with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Alright, back to the broth. After 20 minutes, we'll add a tablespoon of capers, stir well before adding the fish. Now, because we don't want to break the pieces by stirring them into the mixture, we'll spoon the broth over to keep it moist, making sure they are all well covered. And then we'll set the timer for 5 minutes. When the cooking time is done, we'll remove from the heat, and to make sure the fish is properly cooked, we'll cover for 3 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our fish stew. This dish is incredibly tasty and easy to make. Garnished with fresh chopped parsley and served with crusty bread, this is a delicious comfort food to enjoy anytime. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!